In today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys one of the easiest ways to get paid, and that is by simply searching Google. What is going on, guys? The Cash Creator is back with another video, and today I'm going to be talking to you guys about how you can make money doing something you do every single day, and that is by making money while searching google.com. okay? So the tool that we're going to be using is a website called presearch.org, and this is essentially a website where you can earn money by simply searching things in any website. You get 0.25 cryptocurrency for every single search, and that cryptocurrency can then be redeemed into dollars or any currency of your choice. So here we have the toolbar for pre-search. Here are the different search engines: CoinMarketCap, Facebook, Amazon, Google, anything, and you can customize this. So just as an example, I'm going to remove eBay, and I'm going to add Bing website. Okay, there you have it. So I've customized it. I can add as many different ones as I want. I'm going to add eBay back in now, CNN, and then I'm going to go back to the pre-search website over here. Alright, see, toolbar has been customized. We click on any of these. So I've clicked on Google, and I'm going to search anything on Google. So let's say the football score last night when Manchester United beat PSG with an incredible comeback. Manchester United, PSG, and the score will come up on Google, and as you can see, the cryptocurrency was 4.25. so let's see how much it is when we go back to presearch.org. There you are, presearch.org. And in the corner you can see the cryptocurrency has increased from 4.25 to 4.5. Let's search something else in Amazon. Let's say drones. Okay, a lot of people like buying drones, and there's some really good value ones on Amazon. And when we go back to pre-search, we're gonna have $4.75. there you are. Alright, the next thing we're going to do, the final search, let's search on ESPN, a sport website, LeBron James, because he's just overtaken Michael Jordan in points scored. So LeBron James, there we are, we searched that in ESPN. When we go back to presearch.org, we are going to have $5 of cryptocurrency. Okay, as you can see in the top corner, we have $5 cryptocurrency. So let me click on that real quick for you guys, just to show you. As you can see, here are the different times I've been searching. As you can see, 7:36 p.m. I've been searching just in the space of not long, and I've made 0.25 for every single search. Okay, so in the space of 10 minutes, I've made 5 cryptocurrency already. Just over 10 minutes. And you can then redeem this. You can transfer this cryptocurrency into dollars or anything by simply redeeming it. Alright, so what I'm going to do next is I'm going to go back onto pre-search, and I'm going to use this great website over here. It's called CoinMarketCap, and that will allow us to search our crypto coin, pre-search crypto coins, and then see the value of them. Okay, and whilst I do that, I'm also going to open the calculator so I can also check the value of the coins. Okay, so here is the pre-search crypto coin. I'm going to click on it, and it's going to show you the value. So one pre-search crypto coin is worth 5 cents. Okay, that is not a great deal. However, let's say we've already made 5 crypto coins. Let's say we make 20 crypto coins, okay, in a day, and you multiply that 20 crypto coins by 5 cents, and you get $1. Okay, just by 10 minutes of searches. Okay, and you also have to remember the fact that there was a recent crypto coin crash, and as you can see, the value of the pre-search coins has decreased, but I'll tell you a secret, it is starting to recover. As you can see over here, it's a little known secret, but the pre-search crypto coin value is starting to recover. Cryptocurrencies are starting to recover, and I could see this getting to a stable value from 5 cents now to around 20 cents, around 25 cents. Okay, at this point in January 2018, over here you can see that it used to be 66 cents, used to be 72 cents. So imagine it was 72 cents 0.72 cents, and then you multiply that by 20 crypto coins of pre-search that you made in one day, you can make $14 by simply searching google.com. Okay, I don't think it will get to that value again ever again, so let's take a median value of the value of the crypto coin going back up to around, let's say, 25 cents. Okay, so let's do that. 0.25 multiplied by 20 crypto coins that we can easily make in a day by searching Google, and that's $5. So you can make $5 every single day by simply searching Google. Okay, it's a great tool for you guys, and you should definitely try it out. Alright guys, so it's an incredible way for you guys to make money, so please do check it out. And if you haven't already, don't forget to leave a like in the description, leave a comment, and if you haven't, please do subscribe to this channel so you can get the Cash Creators videos on time whenever they come out. Take it easy guys, peace out, and enjoy the rest of your day.